Hey guys, I'm Roger for Phones in Nepal, and this is my full review of Huawei's latest mid-tier smartphone, the Huawei Y7 Pro 2018. So without any further delay, let us get straight into the video. Dual cameras and a near bezel-less display are slowly becoming the standard in the premium mid-range smartphone segment. But what if you offered both these features for just Rs 20,900? Would it be amazing? If yes folks, the Huawei Y7 Pro 2018 is for you guys. The phone packs an amazing dual camera setup combining a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel lens. The picture quality from the shooters are amazing with great amount of details, sharpness and vibrancy. I took the phone out for a spin to Garden of Dreams and came back with some pretty amazing looking shots. To be honest, I'm quite blown away by the cameras. The Y7 Pro 2018 also has an 8 megapixel front camera for all those social media worthy selfies. The image quality of the cameras in well-lit scenarios are quite good. The phone also comes with a front LED flash, which is a great addition to take some good looking selfies in poorly lit condition. Speaking of which, for low light selfies I suggest you make use of that flash, as selfies came out to be a bit soft with some amount of grain. The Huawei Y7 Pro 2018 also packs a near bezel-less display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. This gives Huawei the opportunity to squeeze in a large 5.99-inch HD Plus display with a pixel density of 268 ppi. Though I wish the display was full HD instead of just HD, the panel performs extremely well. Images and text look good with an exuberant amount of vibrancy for an IPS panel. The display, however, lacks adequate amount of brightness, making outdoor visibility a bit difficult. And encasing this large display is a plastic shell. Even though being made out of plastic, the phone feels substantial in the hands. Although I do wish that Huawei had used metal instead of just plastic. The phone sadly this time around does not pack a fingerprint scanner. The phone, however, packs a face unlock feature that works super well. It works so well to the point that it surprised me. It was able to detect my face and unlock the phone in a pitch black room. As long as your eyes are facing the phone and your mouth and nose aren't covered, the phone will unlock. Moving on, talking about the performance of the Y7 Pro 2018, the phone was able to handle all my day-to-day tasks without any problem. Doing the basics like scrolling through Facebook, posting some Instagram pictures and surfing the internet has been a smooth experience. This is all thanks to the onboard Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor backed by 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Talking about the gaming experience, the phone can play some non-graphic intensive games like Temple Run 2 and Sonic Dash without a hitch. Heck, I even pushed the phone to the extreme and fired up PUBG. The game ran but with a noticeable amount of choppiness and dropped frames. The same also can be said for other graphic intensive games like Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5. The Huawei Y7 Pro 2018 in the software front runs EMUI 8.0 based on Android 8.0 Oreo. It is a sweet deal that the phone is running Android Oreo out of the box. The user interface on this device is clean, minimalistic and functional. Running a custom skin, the phone brings a ton of useful features and software tweaks like the game suite, split screen multitasking and the customizable navigation buttons. Overall, the software experience on this phone has been great. And finally, powering this device all up is a 3000 mAh non-user removable battery. The battery life of this phone has been generous as it lasted me a good 4 to 5 hours of on-screen time with my medium to heavy users of the phone. This without a doubt will be enough to get users through a day of uses on a single charge. That said, the phone packs an outdated USB Type 2.0 instead of the now standard USB Type-C, which is quite a bummer but should not be an issue as of right now. The phone also does not come with any fast charging capabilities, making juicing the device up a chore. So in conclusion, the Huawei Y7 Pro 2018 is a great mid-tier smartphone that focuses largely on its dual cameras. The image quality from the pair are some of the best I have seen from a phone at this price point. Not only the cameras, but the phone packs a complete package with a full view display, feature-packed software, eye-catching design, and much more. So for anyone looking for a good mid-tier smartphone under Rs 21,000, the Huawei Y7 Pro 2018 is a great choice. So that's about it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full written review of the phone is available at our website. Links will be down in the description. As always guys, it's been me, Samrat for Phones in Nepal, and I'll see you guys in the next one.